Okay, there's the sky lift, and it's not so busy anymore because everybody's gone. And now I'm going to find all-day parking, which I need to look for. So they said it's about $15 or $20 to park at the base of the sky lift, which I'll probably just do. But there's public parking here. Maybe there's a space. So this one says no RVs, buses, trailers, big trucks. Shit. Okay, never mind. That guy was super nice. He's like, hey, what kind of van is that? I'm like, it is an awesome van, but it is a Nissan 146 wheelbase. He goes, yeah, this guy came in with this Mercedes Sprinter that had like a whole thing inside. I said, yeah, those are like the trust fund kids. He goes, yeah, it was like $150,000. All right, I gotta concentrate and park. Where am I gonna park? There's a couple parking lots that are all like about $20, and the sky lift is right there. It's a 4-minute walk. That looks super fun. Oh, there's the sky bridge. Oh, wow. Okay, that's cool. That's the longest suspended sky bridge in North America. That's pretty awesome. And then there's some other stuff up there. So that shouldn't take long to do this whole thing, to experience it. Anyway, but you can just park here in this one right across from Arcadia Space Needle. The guy's very, very nice. The other ones say no motorhomes and stuff like that. This is the only one that just says no motorcycles. So if you're looking for a parking spot, I would park right here. It's right next to the convention center, which is right there. So this is Gatlinburg, and it's a one gigantic tourist trap. So I need to get a t-shirt though. I need a Smoky Mountain t-shirt or something for Harriette. That's the line for the Skylift Park, so I don't know if people already have tickets. I already have a ticket. So yeah, this is way out of my element. This is not the type of place I would generally want to come. But you know, when in Rome, when in Gatlinburg. It's just weird, like now that the world's opened up, yeah, but this is not, this is too many people. I bought a t-shirt for Harriette that an artist is drawing right now, like airbrushing. So that should be ready in about an hour. And once he's done, I should be done with this debacle. A skier, you know what you're doing here. Oh god, this actually feels really not safe. To be honest, the mama bear in me is like not liking this right now. There's so many little kids just leaning forward. Once we get up to the bit where it's closer to the ground, but like we're literally over a creek. So I know this is safe, but still you always get some like, it's like watching the ice skaters at the rink, the figure it out skaters. I gotta come down this way too. Coming down's easier, obviously, but going up is a little terrifying. I don't know why I'm so scared. I'm at the point of no return. I mean, I might as well just enjoy it. All right, up we go. So a lot of people on this thing. Okay, now we're going up. I'm holding the death grip right here. This isn't too bad. It's actually pretty short. I mean, I've gone up, what, freaking 10,000 feet previously. It's just really steep. I keep looking, like, making sure that all the kids are like, they're not harnessed in. There's no seatbelts on this thing. But there's lights. I guess at night the lights go on. That's pretty. Distraction. Think about something else. Yeah. There's Gatlinburg. I want to go home. Where's my van? Maybe I'll have to look at the surveillance video and see if I can see my van. She's down there somewhere, safe. And not stuck on this frickin' ski lift. You see what's behind me. I'm not looking behind me right now. I'm just holding my camera death grip, holding the metal bar death grip. This is not fun. I would not recommend this. I mean, I'm not like scared of heights or anything. I just just don't think this is very enjoyable right now. It might be enjoyable on the way back, but yeah. Although I've been to like very questionable countries where I've been on things that you know, you don't question like the construction of it. Like when I was in like Thailand and stuff, you just do it. You think they'd have some like OSHA regulation out here, but the guys operating this thing were like yelling at each other, like yelling at the customers for not moving fast enough. I'm like, I don't think anyone's been on this before. I haven't. Oh. All right, safety. I never want to do that again. Is there an elevator to go down? Oh God, that's terrifying. Okay, so at the top it's organized chaos. You can get your photo taken when you get up to the top and pick it up over there. So now I'm gonna go find a restroom, and then I am going to go on the Sky Trail, which is the largest sky trail in the whole of North America, or the raised canopy. Actually, no, there's a canopy bridge, and then there's a sky trail. I guess you go up there. This is the Tulip Tower. I don't know what any of this is. Anyway, I gotta use the restroom, so I will find out where that is. Okay, it's 1,000 million degrees out here today. So you go through, the bathrooms are up here. That's the seating area. You go up the stairs to the Tulip Tower. Somewhere down there is Prudence. I miss her more than you know. And I actually got changed into branded garb. So I have my Gatlinburg shirt, and it says Gatlinburg on the back in big letters. And it's not too warm. So it's just better than wearing my rain jacket. I was like sweating, like I was in one of those like workout trash bag tops that people sweat into. It's a little better. I think I'm done after this. I think I'm ready to go to Nashville. I'm walking in the middle. Hi, excuse me. Thank you. Oh God. Oh. I don't like this. Okay, so I'm gonna be brutally honest. Now I'm like calmed down and not as upset. There's a glass bottom of probably about 10.
Attention on the bridge. A lot of people on the bridge have high anxiety. Please be kind one to another and do not try to shake, rock, or bounce the bridge. God bless America. Enjoy your day.
So the guy just did an announcement. I literally had a panic attack on this thing. Like, not like panic attack, but like frozen. The same thing that happened when I did rock climbing and I got to the top and I couldn't belay down. And the reason is because in 2005, I fell off an obstacle course in the army and shattered my pelvis, broke my back and my neck. And I didn't know that I had any of that PTSD until I rock climbed. So I got about halfway, turned around and came back. So there's like a baby bridge over there, which I think I can do. Mostly because this thing is rocking like crazy, and like dumbasses are thinking it's funny to like mess with people that are like, hey dude, don't rock the thing. That said, I went halfway and my PTSD is like freaking me out right now. And so it happens, you know, when you have trauma. Like I flew through a windshield pretty much when I was 16 and all my face was scratched up. I was in a car crash. And so when I'm a passenger in a car, I do a fake brake. And anyone that drives with me, like they just get used to it. Like, what are you doing with your foot? I'm like, just ignore me. I'm just fake braking. But it happens, you know, and it just only happens on those like one or two things. So anyway, I guess it's fun. I just don't want to deal with dumbasses today. So anyway, the guy's really nice. He was super cool about doing an announcement. So he's 11 Bravo military, the guys that work here, the retired guys. So there you go. This is Brandon. It's a cool picture. So yeah, in my life, I do not need to be a hero. It's funny, they put the American flag covering the bit that's the glass bottom.
I've seen too many videos of like you see TikToks of like these videos in like China collapsing. I've been on stuff like that anyway, but if it was to fall, it would basically bungee cord down. These don't look like they're tethered pretty tightly. Yeah, I don't need to be a hero today. So there's option 1 and there's option 2. I'm gonna do option 2. I am doing option 1. All right, the baby bridge. It's more my style. At least you fall into just rocks and not into like the whole of Gatlinburg. Yeah, not doing the other one. I got halfway and I'm about, no. And just to be clear, it's not the fear of the height, it's that the aftermath of falling, knowing that I could potentially shatter my pelvis again, obviously be a little bit more catastrophic. But anyway, Harriette would love this though. She has no fear. Anyway, but if you want to continue on to the Sky Bridge, you can go that way. Way too many people in the middle, way too windy. And I got halfway. I got all the way to the American flag and then turned around and went back. So now I'm gonna do the Tulip Tower and then that's it for Gatlinburg. So short and sweet, way too crowded. I think I would rather come back when it wasn't so busy. So I'm at the top of the Tulip Tower and the whole thing is shaking, so heading back down. Back down. Okay, bye-bye Gatlinburg. Yes, they're doing the right idea, just running. Run! So this is funny, this little kid, this dad's been like chasing his kid around the whole time. The kid's been running up and down. It's really funny. That would be Harriette. Not me, I'd be hugging the floor. All right, sky lift to freedom. Shouldn't be too bad going down. At least I can see where I'm going. Well, this is a lesson in what therapy I need now, apparently. So it's just too much responsibility for the user. I mean, they're like, oh, put your own bar down. I'm like, really? Okay. Okay, I can actually see Prudence. She is down there in the parking lot. There she is. There's my girl. I miss you. My baby back. I just want to be enclosed in a 60 square foot confined space, not this bullshit. Well, the nice thing is that as it shakes, the nice thing is I did hike in all those mountains over there. So that was fun. Good thing I ate before I got on this thing. I don't generally get motion sickness, but I'm just kind of feeling like all these people are having more fun than me. And look at all these empty ones. You got the one person that's like arguing with their family. No. Just kidding. I'm always like making up these like ridiculous scenarios. Oh, they had a fight. No, actually they just forgot to show up.
I look out across the water, I smell the salt, I feel the breeze, but in my heart I hear the calling of my old home, Tennessee. We don't know where these rivers flow, or why the wind chooses when and where to blow. The sun is gonna rise each and every time
claim, you know. It wasn't me. It was some dude. You can back up a little more, like 2 feet. And that's good.